Attorneys representing national hammer throw record holder Jamaica Clunis are now set to make one final roll of the dice to get her into the Olympics in Paris. This as her case is headed to the Court of Arbitration for Sports CAS's ad hoc committee. More in this report.
Administrative bungling by the Jamaica Athletics Administrative Association J3As put Jamaica Clunis on the outside looking in for the Olympic Games in Paris. It left the 28-year-old fighting to regain a spot she had earned as of right, leading her to retain the services of noted sports attorney Dr. Emir Crown and Saeed Bernard. Dr. Crown wrote to the J3As Wednesday informing them of their intention to file an emergency appeal to CAS's ad hoc division. In the letter, Dr. Crown said the J3As admitted negligence put Clunis' dream in jeopardy. Bernard, who spoke with TVJ Sports Wednesday, says they have been doing their homework but admitted they were yet to file the appeal.
We have looked at precedents, we have looked at the technicalities where we have weaved through them, and we're hoping for the best outcome. And so at this particular point in time, we have not yet filed, but we are certainly preparing to file, considering everything that we have before us. At the end of the day, this is not a matter of us against the J3 or the JOA. In fact, we want them on our side because I am of the belief that we all want the same thing.
Bernard says they are hoping to get a speedy resolution once they go before CAS.
The thing with CAS is we are able to get a response within approximately 24 hours. And so this will certainly push things along as it relates to getting an answer. But more importantly, the JOA has been trying, the J3, based on correspondence from their attorneys that we've just received, they have written to the relevant authorities as well, and they are trying.
Dr. Crown in the letter said he was hopeful that an appeal to CAS would not be necessary, but the J3's negligence and radio silence since July 7 left his client with few options, not to mention the irreparable damage it has done to her mental and emotional well-being.
Our Jamaican athletes cannot continue to go through things like this. They've worked hard, they've trained hard, year after year, day after day, month after month. And to be met with this uncertainty by no fault of your own after such hard work would be heartbreaking and disappointing for anyone.
Clunis punched her ticket to the Paris Olympics by virtue of her world rankings points and was included on Jamaica's 66-member team list to the Olympics sent out by the J3As. News then emerged that a J3As official wrote to Clunis indicating that they were not able to double-check the list sent to World Athletics due to electricity and internet issues caused by the passage of Hurricane Beryl. Clunis' participation now depends on whether another athlete withdraws from the competition. However, with the official entry list being published last Friday without her name, the 28-year-old who set the national hammer throw record of 71.83 meters this year now looks set to miss the Games.